Hey, what's up, everyone? We're back with Saturday's Coach's Notes. Okay, so Saturday is two pieces. We have a structure piece, and then we have a partner CrossFit style workout. Okay, so going over the structure piece first, we have some one arm dumbbell rows, some single leg kettlebell Romanian deadlifts, and then we have some L sits. So I think with this one, you almost kind of have to be a salesman to get people to actually do this with some intention. Okay. A lot of times people want to just kind of move through the structure and just get to that fun partner Metcon at the end, but really sell them on why we're doing what we're doing with this single leg, single arm stuff, right? If you have one arm that's deficient, then your double leg, double arm movements are going to suffer from that, right? So we're trying to find that low hanging fruit and attack that. And also it's a really good warm up piece for the Metcon that we have coming up after it. Okay, the L sit. I would start people off on boxes. Okay, so demoing on boxes. A lot of people have problems or struggles getting their feet at 90. And so you want to elevate them off the ground a little bit because their feet might be a little bit down. Okay, but you can start them there. You can even have them bring their knees into their chest and start by kicking one leg out, then the other one, and then maybe trying both. What you want to kind of focus on there is the shape, like what they look like. Okay, so their hips, if this is their shoulder, their hips should be here, or maybe a little bit behind. Their hips shouldn't be out in front by any means. That means there's a little bit of compensation happening there. And also look at their feet, right? Their feet should be like tight. There should be a lot of tension on their legs between their knees and their feet. So like what I tell my athletes is I want you to pretend like you have a hoodie between your legs. And if your legs are straight, you should be squeezing that hoodie and you should have some tension in your legs. That's going to help us keep a good shape, keep a good stable structure. Okay, so that's 4 rounds of everything. I'm probably going to make that like an every 4 mom. So set a 16-minute clock and then every 4 minutes call out, okay, we should be on set 2. If you're a little ahead, that's perfectly fine, no big deal. But just to add a little bit of structure to it, I'm probably going to do it every 4 minutes and we'll be on another set. So that's about 16 minutes there. Okay, then the partner workout. I'm anticipating this won't go much more than 15 minutes. So that's how much time I'm allotting for that is about 15 minutes there. So how it works is they're going to split the wall balls however they want. Okay, it's a heavier wall ball than what they would normally use. So if they normally use a 10 pounder, maybe they try a 12 today or something like that. Okay, so they're going to split the wall balls however they want, and then they're going to row. They are sharing one rower. So partner 1 rows his or her 20 and 15 calories, and then partner 2 will row his or her 20 and 15 calories. So they're not rowing on 2 different rowers, they're sharing one. So one partner has to do all of their calories and then partner 2 can go. So it's a little confusing. And so it's also going to take a little bit of strategy. I would suggest the fitter partner goes second because they're going to have to go straight from a row, and then they're probably not going to have a whole lot of time before they have to help out on the wall balls. So it would be my recommendation that the fitter partner goes second, but however they want to split that up. The row goes up each time, so the wall balls are always going to be 50. And then the row goes 20, 15, 40, 30, and then 60, 45. So it gets a little more aggressive. This is a CrossFit style Metcon, so they're going to have to like push the pace and find that boundary and flirt with that boundary. It's going to be uncomfortable, but we're not necessarily coming out at 100%, more like 85. So looking at the timeline of class, we got about 16 minutes of structure and about 15 minutes for that workout. So that's 31 minutes. So that gives you a little bit of time to warm them up. I'm going to give about 15 minutes of just a general warm up, getting them nice and loose and mobile, go straight into the structure. And then I'm going to spend about 10 to 15 minutes between the structure and that Metcon, getting them nice and hot. Doing little mini rounds of wall ball shots and rowing, because that workout's going to get pretty aggressive pretty fast, and I want to get them hot and get them ready rather than just kind of cooling off during the structure, not getting their chili hot, and then boom, you're in this Metcon. Yeah, I think that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. See you next time.